Galaxy S23 Ultra is the latest offering from Samsung in their flagship S series of smartphones. It is the successor to the Galaxy S22 Ultra and comes packed with a host of new features and upgrades. In this review, we will take a look at the benefits and requirements of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Design and display. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with a large 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display, which is one of the biggest displays ever seen on a Samsung smartphone. The display has a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels and a pixel density of 516p. The display is also HDR10+ certified, which means it can display a wider range of colors and brightness levels, making it perfect for watching movies and playing games. The phone has a sleek and elegant design, with a glass front and back, and an aluminum frame. Camera. The camera is one of the standout features of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. It features a quad camera setup at the back, with a 108MP primary sensor, a 48MP periscope telephoto lens, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens. Performance and storage. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is powered by the latest Exynos 2200 chipset, which is a 5nm processor that provides excellent performance and energy efficiency. The phone comes with 12GB of RAM, which means it can handle even the most demanding apps and games with ease. It also comes with 512GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to 1TB using a microSD card. Battery life. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with a massive 6000 mAh battery, which is one of the biggest batteries ever seen on a Samsung smartphone. The phone also supports fast charging and wireless charging, which means you can quickly charge your phone on the go. Connectivity. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra supports 5 trans connectivity, which means you can enjoy blazing fast download and upload speeds. It also comes with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and GPS, which means you can stay connected with the world no matter where you are. Operating system. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra runs on the latest version of Android, which is Android 13. It also comes with Samsung's One UI 4.0, which is a user-friendly interface that provides a great user experience. Requirements. To use the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, you need to have a nano SIM card. The phone also requires a USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. It is recommended to have a high-speed internet connection to take full advantage of the phone's 5 grams connectivity. You also need to have a Google account to access the Google Play Store and download apps.